My dear student, welcome to all. Now, today I am discussing about the chapter 5 Mineral and the Power Resources. You know, my name is D. Pandit. I shall teach you the geography chapter 5, part 1. Now, you know what is the mineral. This chapter is the mineral. What is the mineral? Mineral means which types of the homogeneous substances found naturally in the natures and origin from the organic and inorganic materials who obtained from the mines, that is also known as the minerals. What is the minerals? Minerals means substance, homogeneous substance who found in the nature, and it is also has also found physical and chemical properties. There now today I want to discuss about the type of the minerals and the importance of the minerals. Firstly, what are the importance of the minerals? You know, minerals has also very important for our life. Without minerals cannot be life possible on the earth. We know minerals also found in the everything, even we use of the foods, waters, drinking of waters, also even mist are the components of the minerals. So, some minerals has also used through the water, some minerals also has also used in the daily life through the foods and the foodstuffs, etc. But even we receive the use of the toothbrush, use of the pen, pencil, fan, wall structures, construction of the buildings, so many things also made from the minerals. So minerals usage in the daily life by the human beings, directly or the indirectly wage. Minerals today, minerals play an important role in our daily life, and almost everything which is used made from the minerals. So the human beings have always use of the minerals. Minerals is the important parts of our life. Even in your bodies also made from the Chiti Jal Pavak Gagan Samira. That means very earth materials, bodies, muscles, bones, and in the waters who also obtain 70% approximately in your body also made from the minerals, and use of the minerals for the energies. So, use of the minerals in the cars, vehicles, and made of the vehicles, cars, etc. is also minerals. Now, we will also discuss about the type of the minerals. There are mainly three types of the minerals found in the nature. Some parts are, first is the metallic minerals, another is the non-metallic minerals, and third is the energy resources minerals. First, metallic. What is the meaning of metallic? Metallic minerals means which types of the minerals mainly found in the uh, and the content and the composed of the metals known as the metallic minerals. For the example, iron ore, manganese, lead, bauxite, copper, these are the so many examples of the metallic minerals. And metallic minerals also divided into three categories. First is the ferrous, second is the non-ferrous, and third is the precious. Ferrous minerals, that means which types of the minerals has contained iron ore, known as the ferrous minerals. For the example, iron ore, manganese, and the nickel has also found the ferrous. Therefore, these are example of the ferrous minerals. Next is the non-ferrous minerals. Any which types of the minerals has no metals or the no ferrous. No ferrous, that is also called the non-ferrous minerals. For the example, under the non-ferrous minerals, copper, silver, gold, it has also not found the ferrous. Therefore, it is also known as the non-ferrous minerals. Next is the precious. Under the precious, gold, silver, platinum, these minerals also has very costly. Diamond also has also very costly, and who extract from the mines, but it is very valuable. Therefore, it is also known as the precious minerals. Next, we will also discuss about the non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals means which minerals has contain no any metals. Therefore, that is also known as the non-metallic minerals. For the example, mica, salt, gold, silver, platinum, these are example of the non-metallic minerals. But limestones and sandstones, etc., are also example of the non-metallic minerals. Next is the energy minerals. Energy minerals means which types of the minerals provide and give energies for the run of the vehicles, cars, motors, trains, planes, etc. These are the energy minerals. So, under the energy minerals, we will also discuss about the coal, petroleum, and the natural gas. Now, question here, where is found the minerals? Where are found minerals? The minerals mainly found in the pores, veins, cracks, crevices, and minerals also found in the sedimentary rocks. So there are, you have also studied in the previous chapter or the previous classes about the rocks. There are three types of the rocks found in the nature: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and the metamorphic rocks. So all metallic minerals approximately found and contain different types of the metals, etc., but found in the igneous rocks. But energy resources, that means coal, petroleum, and natural gas, mainly found in the sedimentary rocks and extract from the sedimentary rocks from the mines. And some minerals has also convert due to the heat, energies, and the pressure from the igneous rocks, and in the metamorphic rocks convert into the metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rocks also convert into the metamorphic rocks. For the example, sandstone convert into the quartz, and limestone, due to the pressure and heat, convert into the marble, and nice nickel, etc. convert into the so many forms of the minerals. So precious minerals also found in the and obtained from the metamorphic rocks. So we will also discuss in this class about the different types of the minerals and importance minerals and distribution of the minerals. Where is also found minerals, and earthquakes, volcanic eruptions create from the mines, and the breaking downs of the earth crust. Then some hotted and molted minerals obtain and come out from the mines toward the earth's surface. But different types of the cracks create here. Suppose that this is the earth layer and the earth crust, and create different types of the vent and the fissures from in the interior parts of the earth, and different types of the hot materials who found in the interior parts of the earth. So these liquid materials found in the interior parts of the earth in the liquid shape and come out and pressurize to the earth crust, and crack also create firstly horizontally cracks, and some cracks horizontal then vertical cracks. Some cracks also create vertically but not reach over the earth's surface in the interior parts of the earth. So some metallic minerals comes and the liquid materials and reach in the vent, enter in the vent, and these vents are the cracks. Some minerals also deposited, and after the cooling convert into the different shape and the size. These minerals is also known as the different names. In the horizontal ways, which types of the minerals, it is also known as the smaller size, and the narrow parts, it is also called the vein. And a large portions of the veins, suppose that here is also found a big size of the cracks and deposited some, and after the cooling convert into the minerals. These types of the parts known as the lodes. So vein is the smaller and the narrow parts or the cracks, but a big size of the cracks where also accumulate different metallic minerals who found in the liquid form, after the cooling convert into the solid form, then it is also known as the lodes. So these are the difference between the vein and the lodes. Some minerals also found in the different ways and come out through the veins and accumulate on the earth's surface. That is also known as the lava. It is also accumulate on the surface and form the volcanic mountain. But in the volcanic mountains has also so many minerals. For the example, in our countries, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand Plateaus, Meghalaya's plateaus, these plateaus have also rich in the minerals. Why? Because in these areas and these plateau regions form after the volcanic eruptions and accumulate lava on the earth's surface, and different types of the minerals also accumulate in the vent, fissures, cracks and lodes and form different size and the structure. Now, we will also discuss about the different minerals who found in the different areas. That means distribution of the minerals. Firstly, under the metallic minerals, we will also discuss about the iron ore. Iron, what is the meaning of ore? Ore means mixed mineral, mixture of the minerals who found in the original, not in found in the original shape, after the washing and convert into the purifications, through the purification methods, convert into the minerals. For the example, iron who found and abstract from the mines in the ore shape. But after the washing, heating, melting and use those materials in the industries known as the minerals. So, iron ore found in our countries in the different areas. There are mainly 3 zones of the iron ore found in our countries. Firstly, in the Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha and Chhattisgarh regions. Next, second parts and zone of the iron ore minerals who found in our countries. Second zone is the Madhya Pradesh regions, Goa, Madhya Pradesh regions, and third Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh regions. So, 3 categories has also divided a distribution of the iron ore. In the Jharkhand state, Simbhum district, and in the Odisha state, Majurubhanj district is the famous for iron mines. In the Karnataka regions, Bellary, Nellore and the Karnataka himself, Kudermukh, etc. are the important iron mines in our countries. But Madhya Pradesh regions and Chhattisgarh regions, some parts of the Rajasthan regions has also reached in the iron ore. So, iron ore mainly utilized in the iron and steel industries, and it is also mixed with the manganese and the nickels, then convert into the hardness stainless steels. Even all things mainly made from the minerals iron ore. Iron ore also used in the different ways. Even a pin also made from the irons and use of the irons in the plane, in the machinery parts, vehicles and constructions of the buildings has also use of the iron ore. Iron ore is the important parts in the under the minerals, but it is also found in the 3 parts or the 3 types. But some scholar has also divided into 4 categories: hematite, limonite, siderite and magnetite. But magnetite and hematite are the importance and the very precious iron ore found in our countries, and it has contained iron approximately 70% and above. Therefore, it is also known as the good qualities of the iron ore. But sedimentary rocks is the medium qualities of the iron ore, and hematite, magnetite is the good quality of the iron ore, limonite is the medium quality of the iron ore, and siderite is the bad qualities of the iron ore. It is also known as the good conductivities of the hydroelectric power. So, in this parts, we will also today I have also discussed about the minerals where is also found, classification of the minerals or the types of the minerals and the under the distribution of the minerals. Only I have discussed today about the iron ore. Next class we will also discuss about the part 2. Thank you.